Hello everyone. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people. Today na about Hush Puppy again. Hush Puppy. Hi. What did this our brother do himself, eh? Suppose I see him, I forgive him better slap. Really. This Hush Puppy, what he do himself. Just see the way this guy just see end himself, eh? The thing they shocktalize me, my people. If you know say business wey you dey do, you no good, you don't make money, you no go rest. Hush Puppy begin dey buy Gucci. Hush Puppy go if they want if they want he want order for Gucci, as they bring am come na so they cut out Hush Puppy as they can't get money reach. Hush Puppy, why you not come rest for this business, God? As you see money reach, like seriously, now so this money they cause grace for una head. You see money for something you no gree stop. See the way you can't end your life now, eh? They say they don't America, they don't finally carry and go America now. So America will come take over. Who know how long will you go spend for that place now when you take come out, Hush Puppy? Why you do this thing to yourself, Hush Puppy? Why you do this thing to yourself, Hush Puppy? As you see money rich. Eh? The way this guy they do, me this maybe he get one kind company. As in, this boy not even open one company at all. With the go say na Hush Puppy. Now he get this company. Nothing like that. You just end your life like that, Hush Puppy. You too do, sha. Really. You just as in they know they even they talk say I see one company where they say na Hush Puppy na you get am. What do you call use the money do now to they buy Gucci, they buy expensive car, they buy this? Hush Puppy, see what you do yourself. My brother, you don't do well at all. You know your see when they advise you. You don't see money for something. All those boys will be so now they do yahoo. Mona use Hush Puppy take get sense. So if you don't make money for something, you remove your hand. Remove your hand. Because if you continue, one day for the thief, one day for the owner. Monkey go market and no go come back. Now be this Hush Puppy. You make I go Dubai man go play carry another money. Now they enter one chance. So now Hush Puppy take enter one chance. Who know how when because many places they need Hush Puppy. Because they say don't tell where they don't investigate Hush Puppy before hand call cash am now. So what it is our brother just do himself, my people. Mona use Hush Puppy take get sense. So yahoo boys. Mona use Hush Puppy take get sense. If you know say the work what you do, you know they genuine. I beg. If you don't make money, just suffer. Leave the business. Because if you don't leave am, now there somebody they enter one chance. So now there you go enter one chance. You can't know what you do yourself that time. My people, hi. Hush Puppy, you too do, sha. You too do. Now so you just can't end your life like that. Now so you can't end everything, Hush Puppy. Now wow, my people, now wow for wire road, really. Now wow, Hush Puppy. Now America, now you there now, America prison. Who know when you go take come out? Now everything wey you get now go just go like that. You can't start the time when you go take even come out sef. Maybe white hair now go come do your John Thomas. That time you can't know what you do yourself. You will be say you dey do oga. If you now understand when you go dey waka, you go dey do oga, dey blow guy, dey do this Gucci. Where Gucci for finish now, Hush Puppy body now you go see am. Oga Gucci. Now they give you Gucci uniform now for inside prison make you dey wear now. Hush Puppy, you too do sha, you too do really. If you be my brother, na better slap, really, because you no dey okay. You make money, you no fit stop. They no go even see one company wey dey say na Hush Puppy na get this company. Nothing like that. Wetin you come use your money do now? just to dey carry expensive car, buy Gucci, do this. Even before you comot, you get one video wey for the store say I no get money again o, me anybody no asking for money o, him go him wan go Dubai o. Now you take enter one chance o, you wan go Dubai, you wan go Dubai. Now you take enter one chance. Him with him friend. Una no dey even dey do small small yahoo yahoo, big big one. Hush puppy. Hi, to sha, I pity for you o. Because if I don't see you like this, I would pity for you because the way they take they read your news, your news not go finish. Oh, you break record, hush puppy. You pass all those politicians where they carry big money, stuff. You pass them, hush puppy. Hi, I pity for you. Oh. You shocktalize people. People be the thing say that you they get your money genuinely. They don't know say nah fake. Now you think they get the money yahoo yahoo. You make money for something you don't go stop. Our people, because I know so una no go ever still get sense now with this hush puppy. Who get here make a year? As you don't make money, stop. Oh, stop. See hush puppy now. See hush puppy now. See the way they put itself for one chance. You see her now? You see her now? Una see her? So America now, don't reach America. Another story now. Because he must face the law of America. Now so, he must face the law. Now understand, my people. So now the topic when I say I can't talk about today, my people, because this hush puppy, I say I don't want to talk. Do different news go they come out. Different news go they come out. Different news. You must talk. You must once you talk now, may you see tell people say, may they get sense so for this hush puppy, no. May our people get sense. Hi, hush puppy, I pity for you. Well, you pity for you really, But what do you put yourself so, Only God know when you go take come out to hush puppy. Only God not just know when you take come out, Because you just really like you fall everybody hand. Really, As you see money reach. The funny part, no company they go even say now hush puppy now open now. At all, day. As you see, even I not even sure say you will build hotel safe as you see money reach. You just they fly private jets, they live the big life, Only that one. Where Gucci finish now, hush puppy body. Mr. Gucci. I hope say they give you Gucci, maybe you wear for inside there, sha. Because if they not give you Gucci, it will go red. They're supposed to give you Gucci for inside there you wear. Because it be Mr. Gucci. And Mr. Gucci made they even call you now Mr. Gucci. Hi, hush puppy. Hi. You fall hand, really. Hush puppy, you fall people hand. Just see you now. I die no. I know what you go to feel now. I die no, it's too late. It's too late, my dear. It's too late to cry. It's too late. The time when you're supposed to do all those things now, it don't pass, my dear. Hush puppy. Hi. I pity for you, really, if I just look you, really, I just pity for you. I don't know why. I feel for you because as in you know pity for yourself. See if they get money, no they genuine. Why you not stop, my brother? You don't make. I don't know if they make money. Now so that guy that time when they kidnap people for Nigeria that time. I saw that one don't make money, no gree stop. Not be they take cash that time. Evans the kidnapper. I said take cash Evans that time. Because he no go rest. So my people, you wait know say you dey do bad business, my dear. Use hush puppy take get sense so before you go enter one chance so. Use hush puppy take get sense, my people. And so the matter just reach today. Really worry go say use your HQ. Use your HQ. May you no enter one chance the way hush puppy take enter so. And so the matter reach today. Thank you everybody. Take care. So like come your way next time again. I remember your friend, your sister, your everything, your one and only Lady J. Bye everybody. And share this video for me so that this video will go viral. Please share this video because all people have to receive sense and the friends there. And the people who say they do this business, they don't want to move on. They have to receive sense, my people, really. They really have to receive sense. Thank you. So you way they watch me now. Anything you think about this video, you can leave your comments for the comment section. Bye everybody. Bye. Bye bye.
Now suppose use my story, do documentary to give people hope. Now look say no, people not supposed to get hope. People no deserve hope. People now suffer them most they used to. Adeyanju and others. Now look say now wait say I deserve suffer. What of people in Badagry, people in Agege, people in Epaja? Enjoyment reach their side. What about people where they Ebonyi State? Not for once I don't watch news. I don't hear say one development reach Ebonyi. Nasarawa, all those kind of places. They no be Nigerians. They no deserve enjoyment. Una can't sit down, look say meat where they chop for abroad. Now in they affect Nigeria. Now I make Nigeria no good. I no deserve to chop meat. I no deserve to wear better clothes. I no deserve to look like human being. You can't look finish. You say make me and you do debate. And I don't accept. I don't accept. First, you guys pay me the charges for me to come. You guys do everything because I be social media influencer that they pay me. If you want to go look YouTube, go look countries where they don't pay me to come host parties, events. You say you don't know my source of income. I guys pay. I suffer so much, and you know enjoy one enjoyment from the government till today. One single enjoyment my papa no dey enjoy. Buhari guys explain to my papa why my papa guys got using hand bury your own pikin, bury your own second wife. We die. They die. My sister die. He died throw away. If not today, you not think say that thing do my sister. Nothing say he go die. When money don't dey now, nothing say he go die. You know how many families they go through so many things like that. Do you know how many families are suffering different kind of pain within their hearts because of negligence of the government? Because the government don't cater for them. If they talk, they go say Nigeria don't they look, see people for Lekki, they don't they do this, they don't they pass to gates. And now go they use stupid things. They qualify Nigeria, say don't they enjoy. He never dey equilibrium to the suffer where I don't suffer. I don't suffer for decades. I never enjoy reach 5 years safe. So now they look say no, they're supposed to bring me back to come suffer. Say this no, now I must suffer. Adeyanju, yeah, for what be saying. What no fight. You guys understand? Say this thing where you want start. You don't know where it go lead to. From now, Deji Adeyanju, we the people of Nigeria, we the masses, we demand say make you stop to the fight for us because you are clearly not fighting for us. If you want debate, you need to arrange debate between my papa and Buhari. Make them sit down, make them talk. Make Buhari need to explain to my papa where my papa guys suffer so much. And you know enjoy one enjoyment. I no deserve no strength. As my papa tell us reach. My papa also pass Buhari. My papa also pass Obasanjo in children. All in children. Now even only me. Now in get. And when I look say only that me I suppose suffer. I no deserve enjoyment. Tell me Buhari children they no deserve enjoyment reach us. I swear. Buhari children. They no deserve enjoyments reach us because if they look how person they also reach. My papa also pass Buhari. My mama suffer pass Buhari wife. We being children, we suppose they fly private jets. But we no fly private jets. I suffer. Okada don't jam me so many times. Moto don't jam me for the same Nigeria. I don't nearly die. I can't escape. On our country. Just few years now. Yeah, I don't they enjoy. This enjoyment never even mature. Just this small enjoyment where they enjoy. He never dey equilibrium to the suffer so much. And they can't be proud of 1,000 naira that has been given to them by the federal government. My mother is from the Niger Delta part of Nigeria where Nigeria's oil come from. She has never benefited. My mother is from the Niger Delta. She has never benefited $1 from the Niger Delta, the oil producing part of Nigeria where she comes from. $1, and she's over 60 years old. In my whole generation, my papa, now only me see escape poverty small. Only me for our whole generation. When I won't come climb that same me, say no, I suppose suffer. Only that me, where escape, where they chop no straight. When I look, I no deserve no straight. As my papa tell us reach, my papa also pass Buhari. May no UK person greet me again, you. May nobody find help come my side from UK. We are at war. First time in history. See, talking out to conflict of Lole no me. I'll break your heart, father. Nigga. Toba Madogun. If you go turn to war, you go turn to war. All UK people, you don't set you. They break father heart from UK.